Welcome to the Law Office of Bryan Fagan's YouTube channel, your trusted source for insights into the complexities of family law. I'm Carrie Gregg, an attorney at the Law Office of Bryan Fagan. Today, we're addressing a topic that concerns many parents in Texas, failing a CPS drug test for marijuana in Texas. Facing a Child Protective Services drug test for marijuana can be a daunting experience for parents. In this video, we'll explore the implications of failing such tests, the legal aspects, and the steps you can take to navigate this challenging situation. Let's dive right into the real-life scenario to better understand the complexities of failing a CPS drug test for marijuana in Texas. Meet Claire, a leading mother of two. Claire has been responsible and caring parent, but she also has been dealing with chronic pain for years due to a medical condition. After researching alternative treatments, Claire decides to try medical marijuana, which is legal in some states for medical purposes, including this one right next door. However, Claire didn't fully understand the complexities of marijuana laws, and she mistakenly believed that using medical marijuana in a neighboring state would not have any repercussions in Texas, where it's still illegal. One day, Claire's child was involved in a minor accident at school. While at the hospital, a standard drug test was performed, and it was detected traces of marijuana in Claire's child's system due to a passive exposure. The school reported the findings to CPS, triggering an investigation. When CPS conducted their assessment, they discovered Claire's use of medical marijuana. Even though she used it legally in another state and never in the presence of her children, she tested positive for marijuana during a drug test. This real-life scenario highlights the complexities and potential consequences parents like Claire may face when failing a CPS drug test for marijuana in Texas. In this situation, Claire's case highlights the importance of understanding not only the marijuana laws in your own state, but also the potential ramifications in neighboring states. Failing a drug test, even due to passive exposure, can initiate a CPS investigation. If you find yourself in a similar situation, it's crucial to consult with an expert family law attorney immediately. They can help you navigate the legal complexities and advocate for your rights. Now let's address some common questions you may have. Can I lose custody of my child permanently for failing a marijuana drug test? While permanent loss of custody is a possibility, it's not the automatic outcome. The focus on the child's safety and well-being, and the parents are often given opportunities for rehabilitation and reunification. Can CPS require me to take a drug test on the regular basis? Yes. CPS may require parents to undergo regular drug testing as part of the safety plan or case management. In my experience as a family attorney, I've seen very many parents successfully address substance abuse issues and work toward reunification with their children. The key is to approach the situation with a change and a willingness to comply with CPS requirements. In conclusion, failing a CPS drug test for marijuana in Texas can be challenging and concerning experience for parents. It's essential to take immediate action, seek legal representation, and demonstrate your commitment to addressing any substance abuse issues. Your child's safety and well-being should always be your top priority. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. The Law Office of Bryan Fagan is right here to support you through the complexities of family law. If you have any questions or need legal assistance, don't hesitate to reach out and schedule a free 30-minute consultation. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more valuable information. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next video.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was both helpful and informative for you. At the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, we are here for you, so please let us know how we can help you with your family law, estate planning, or criminal defense matters by calling our office today at 281-310-5563 to schedule your complimentary consultation. You can find all of our social media info in the description below, and if you would like to stay updated on all of our videos, events, and promotions, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the notification bell.